Happy Sunday, everyone. It's March 3rd, and I think I'm going to take my bike into Metropolis real quick. They close at 4. It's 3 o'clock. I hope I get there and they're open. Got to get some stuff fixed up. My rear hub is kind of wobbly. My gears don't shift right, and I got a slow leg. So I'm going to go drive down there and drop it off and see if they can fix it up. And we're here. Let's see what this says. All right, so yeah, he's gonna fix it. It's cheaper than I thought it was gonna be. A la carte repairs. He says probably around $45 if the rear axle is not destroyed, which I don't think it is. I think he just can tighten it up and we'll see. So, 45 bucks. They're closed Monday and Tuesdays, so I'll probably have it back on Wednesday. Now I get to go for a nice long walk all the way back home.
A few moments later.
Hey everyone, I just got word that my bicycle's repaired, so I'm heading to the bike shop to go pick it up. All right everyone, I got it back. It looks pretty good. Tightened up the wheels in the back. adjusted the chain, and put a new tube. So we're gonna take it for a quick ride home and see how it goes. I can't believe how smooth the thing's right now. You must have did something to the bearings, the gears, because it's smooth. Very, very smooth. I'm liking it. So yes, it's Saturday. Yes, I should be enjoying my day off, but I'm going to be out of town all next week. So just getting caught up on some work things so I can get ahead of that time off.
A few moments later.
So I literally just kicked my own butt. That was a bunch of work that I did that I've been meaning to do for a long time. But sometimes you need these quiet days to just sit and work on things undisturbed. So yeah, that's good now. Now I'm gonna bike my butt home. Not gonna make it to church on time, but we will get some nice dinner tonight. So yay. I'm a little surprised nobody took my spot right in the front. So that's a win. Hey everyone, we just made it back to the 27th floor. I sat down on the couch and I just remembered that last night I left my AirPods at the restaurant. So I have a very good excuse now to go get my butt back on that bike, make it down to the restaurant and get my AirPods back. I'm gonna wear a jacket and a hat though because it is a little bit cold, but we got a good excuse to go for another bike ride. Here we go. We're here at I'm a Sushi, which is kind of overrated and overpriced and not so good, but it's okay. To get my AirPods, let's see what happens. We got them. Now we go for a ride back home. Hey everybody, we just made it back up to the 27th floor, and I gotta tell you, I am exhausted. That first bike ride, well, second, but first kind of real bike ride of the season really did a number on my legs and my butt, and I'm feeling it good. So, but in general, we're very happy with the repairs that were done to the bike. Everything's just working perfect. It's actually working better than the day I got it, so I'm very pleased. Big shout out to Metropolis Cycle down there in Michigan. If you need a new bike, go down to Metropolis. Those guys are good. We did have one little blunder today. We dropped our iPhone and cracked the screen. So not too happy about that. Good thing I still have Apple Care, so I can get that screen repaired. I think it's like $100 or something. So we're not going to go have sushi tonight. We are going to have pizza rolls, which is just as good as sushi. Well, debatable, but it's up there. So we're going to save a little money for that repair. So yeah, that was it. Thanks. I hope you enjoyed this very first episode of Downtown Dave, and we'll have some more to come for you soon. Thanks, and see you soon.